Hey everybody, it's Mr. Hoff with Classic Composers, and in today's video lesson we're going to learn about mouthpiece exercises to help develop our first sound on the alto saxophone. This is going to correspond with lessons number 10 and 11 in the pre-method book. Let's go into making our first sound. When we make our first sound, we're going to form our embouchure, we're going to take a nice deep breath, and we're going to articulate with the word ta. When we articulate with the word ta, the tip of our tongue is going to start the sound against the tip of the reed, and if we do this correctly, a high-pitched sound should come out of the mouthpiece. So here we go. Teeth, lower lip, cinch it, take a deep breath, and say ta. And that's a sound that you should get the first time you play your mouthpiece. Okay, now a couple problems that you might be having is you might have too much mouthpiece in your mouth, which is going to create kind of a harsh sound. You might have too little mouthpiece in,
boo,
which is not even going to make a sound at all. You might be pressing down on the reed with your lower lip, which is going to push it up against the mouthpiece and no sound's going to happen, so you have to relax a little bit. Or you might just not be taking a deep enough breath. So here we go, one more time. And if done quickly, you should hear that high-pitched sound, and it should be as steady as possible. We're going to be doing 3 exercises, and we're going to be doing them 3 different ways. The first one's just going to be with our voice. The second one's going to be with the mouthpiece. And then the third round's going to be with the mouthpiece and the neck assembled. Our first exercise is going to say the word ta, and we're going to say it as long as we possibly can. And then once we're done, we're going to take a deep breath, and we're going to do that a total of 4 times. So here we go. Deep breath. Ta. And I'm going to stop right there because I can keep going for a while. Then you're going to do that 4 times. And I'm not going to do it 4 times, but you are. Okay, now after that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a deep breath, and we're going to say the word ta, but we're only going to say it for 4 counts. Then we're going to take a deep breath, and we're going to do it a total of 4 times. So we're going to get the metronome all keyed up here to help us count. And here we go. Ready, breathe. Ta. Second time, breathe. Ta. Third time, breathe. Ta. Fourth time, and breathe. Ta. And off right there. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is we're going to say the word ta 4 times, but we're going to ta for only 1 count. And we're going to do the whole thing 4 times. So here we go. And breathe. Ta, 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 ta. Second time. Breathe. Ta, 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 ta. Third time. Breathe. Ta, 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 ta. Fourth time. Breathe. Ta, 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 and stop right there. Now we're going to run those same 3 exercises, but this is going to be with the mouthpiece now. So first one, you're going to make a sound for as long as you can, and you're going to do this 4 times. Okay, so here we go. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. And then right there. Now we're going to do number 2 where we ta for 4 counts, and we'll do this 4 times. Breathe. Second time. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. Off right there. And the final exercises, we're going to taw 4 times for 1 count each. So here we go. And breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And off right there. Make sure that each time that you're articulating and starting the sound, that you're tawing and you're using the tip of your tongue to touch the tip of the reed. Our final round is going to be mouthpiece and neck together. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just taw as long as we possibly can, and we'll do this 4 times. Second time. Next time. Last time. We're going to move on to our second exercise. You're going to taw for 4 counts, and we're going to do this 4 times. So here we go. And breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. And then the final exercise is when we taw 4 times for 1 count each. Make sure the tip of the tongue is starting to sound against the tip of the reed. So here we go. And breathe. Breathe. Third time. Breathe. Fourth time. Breathe. And off right there. Make sure that you're doing these mouthpiece exercises every day to help develop your sound and to help you out when you put the full instrument together.